Need to sign out of your Facebook account on an Android phone? Whether you're switching accounts using someone else's device or simply protecting your privacy, logging out only takes a few moments. In this guide, I'll walk you through each step so you can safely sign out of Facebook without any confusion. Start by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're on the home screen of the account you want to sign out of. Next, tap the menu button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Depending on the version of the app, this button may appear as your profile picture or the three-line menu icon. Once the menu opens, scroll down until you reach the bottom of the list. You'll see the log out option. Tap on it and Facebook may ask you to confirm your decision. Select log out again to continue. After a few seconds, the app will take you back to the Facebook login screen. This means you've successfully signed out of your account. Don't worry, logging out does not delete your Facebook account or remove any of your posts, photos, messages, or friends. Everything stays exactly the same, and you can log back in whenever you want by entering your login details. For extra privacy, especially if you're using someone else's phone, avoid saving your login information when prompted after logging out. This helps prevent others from accessing your account without permission. If this tutorial helped you, consider giving the video a like, sharing it with friends, and subscribing to the channel for more simple Android tips, Facebook guides, and easy to follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.